Does it come with a mustache?
Let's see it again. Say, here we go! Say, it's me, Mario.
Me, it's Mario.
Me, Mario.
Mario.
Let me see, Eldon.
Show your mom.
You're so cute.
Here we go!
That fits you like perfectly. What size is that?
Elven size? What size is this? Let me see.
Because I thought we got ones that were too big, but that looks to be fitting him perfectly.
We don't really have those size. Alright, go look at yourself in the mirror and tell me how you look.
Well, let's see the mirror. Wait.
There's one in Mom and Dad's room. Here we go! Come here, Mitch. Come here. Come here, meow. Come here. Oh, Mitch. Oh.
It's like she's the one that never did it. It was always Paco and Puka.
Mitch. Look down here.
She's like, get the fuck.
She's like, just love me. Just love me. Just love me. You're recording me for it. You're still recording.